Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to update your Roblox launcher, or the Roblox player, whatever you guys call it. And in order to update it, all you gotta do is just launch it once, and if there is an update available, it will automatically update itself. So meaning you won't have to re-download it or you won't have to do anything on it. And if it is not updating on its own and it keeps telling you to update client, then what you can do is delete the launcher and then re-download the launcher again. But for me, all I gotta do is just go to Roblox launcher, click on it, and then it's gonna pop up as you can see, starting Roblox. It's gonna go through this phase, it's gonna search for updates, and since I've already launched it and it's completely up to date, it's not gonna do any more hassle, and it's just gonna launch instantly. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.